today's class we are going to see about the environment. That is the exercise thing we are going to mark. First thing, Phillips, the dash or the environment consists of biotic and abiotic components. The answer is natural environment, right? The first one, in filling in the blanks, the first answer is natural environment. The second one, the dash is the basic support system of life. It is environment. The third one, the dash is a domain that consists of water. That is hydrosphere. The hydrosphere which consists of water. Fourth one, plant and animal kingdom together make up the dash or the living world, which is biosphere. Answer is biosphere. Natural and physical environment or dash on each other. It is depend on each other. Right. It is Phillips. Next, coming to short answers. What do you mean by environment? The answer is what do you mean by environment? The place. The answer is the place, people, nature, and things that surround living organism is called environment. Right. What do you mean by environment? The place, people, nature and things that surround living organism is called environment. Next, what are the components of natural environment? What are the second question is what are the components of natural environment? In natural environment, the components has been divided into two categories. They are natural environment biotic and abiotic. Right. What are the components of natural environment? The natural environment has been divided into two categories. One is biotic component and abiotic component. Next, the third question is, what do you mean by lithosphere? What do you mean by lithosphere? Here, lithosphere, which consists of, the answer is lithosphere is the domain that consists of forest, grassland, for grazing, animal. And for agriculture and human settlement. And human settlement. Right. What do you mean by lithosphere? Lithosphere is the domain that consists of forest, grassland for grazing animal and for agriculture as well as for human settlement. The fourth question is, what do you mean by biosphere? What do you mean by biosphere? The answer is that the biosphere is a narrow zone on the earth where the three pralayam of land, water, the three layams which are atmosphere, air, water and land interact with each other to support the human life is known as biosphere. Next, we can see the long answers, right? Explain the 4 domains. Four domain on the earth. First you give an outline about it, that is you give like synopsis, draw a synopsis. Introduction. The 4 domains. And their category. And then conclusion. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, the third one is about atmosphere and then biosphere, right? And biosphere. Synopsis. Next, let me explain it. Introduction. In introduction part, you write what is what, right? What do you mean by environment? The term environment, which means the place, people, nature and things that has been surrounded by living organism and non-living organisms is known as environment. So here you write the meaning of environment. The environment, which consists of living and non-living organisms. Living and non-living organism is known as environment. Right. Next, coming to the 4 domains: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The 4 domains are lithosphere, right? 4 domains. In lithosphere, it consists of land, right? The first point is about it consists of land, and the second thing is about it is the upper mantle of the earth. What? It is the upper mantle of the earth. It consists of next, it is made up of rocks, minerals, etc. Next, the second one is about hydrosphere. Hydrosphere. In hydrosphere, it consists of water, right? The first point is about it consists of water. And the water has been divided into three categories. The water has been divided into three categories. They are water vapor, liquid state, water vapor, and ice, solid state. These are the three categories in hydrosphere. Next, the third one is about atmosphere. Coming to atmosphere, it is a blanket of gases that surrounds the earth. It is a blanket of gases that surrounds the earth. Earth, like gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and inert gases, right? These are some of the four domains in the environment. Coming to the fourth one, that is biosphere. In biosphere, the plant and animal kingdom together is known as biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together known as biosphere. Makeup. Right. These are some of the categories of natural element, that is the 4 domains. Let's recap. So there are 4 domains. They are lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. This is the book back questions. Mark it and write it in your classwork. This is a home assignment for you. Thank you.